Can Webull connect to TradingView? Before diving into the integration of Webull and TradingView, it's essential to understand the unique strengths of each platform. Webull, a relatively new player in the brokerage industry, has gained immense popularity due to its commission-free trading and user-friendly interface. In contrast, TradingView, a veteran in the charting and analysis space, is renowned for its advanced technical tools and extensive community. The partnership between Webull and TradingView is a strategic move that aims to provide traders with a comprehensive platform for both analysis and execution. By connecting their Webull accounts to TradingView, users can seamlessly transition from in-depth market research to live trading without leaving the familiar TradingView environment. This integration offers a significant advantage, eliminating the need to switch between multiple platforms and reducing the potential for errors. One of the most appealing aspects of this integration is the ability to execute trades directly from TradingView charts. This feature is particularly valuable for traders who rely heavily on technical analysis. By combining the charting capabilities of TradingView with the execution power of Webull, users can identify trading opportunities and act on them swiftly. This streamlined process can potentially improve trading efficiency and reduce the risk of missed trades. Moreover, TradingView's extensive community of traders and analysts provides a wealth of resources for users. From sharing trading ideas and strategies to discussing market news and events, the community fosters a collaborative environment that can be beneficial for both experienced and novice traders. Webull's integration with TradingView allows users to tap into this community and gain valuable insights from other traders. While the partnership between Webull and TradingView offers numerous advantages, it's important to note that there are some limitations. For example, while users can execute trades directly from TradingView, they may not have access to all the features and functionality offered by the Webull platform. Additionally, the integration may not be suitable for traders who prefer to use other charting platforms or have specific requirements that are not met by TradingView. In conclusion, the integration of Webull and TradingView represents a significant step forward for traders seeking a comprehensive platform for both analysis and execution. By combining the strengths of these two platforms, users can benefit from advanced charting tools, a user-friendly interface, and seamless trading capabilities. While there are some limitations to consider, the partnership offers a valuable solution for traders looking to enhance their trading experience.